Hi guys, welcome to today's video. In today's video we are going to see this relay, motor starting relay. This relay used in two-wheelers vehicles to start the motor. You can see the rating of this relay 12 volt 60 ampere and the coding of this relay KR43. This is a 4.2 R here to start switch and 2 R for the motor's connection. Without wasting time, let's see what's inside this. These are our tools, common tools day by day I used. Let's cut it from this corner. This is a tough part. Be careful, don't do this. This is not recommended for the small kid children's. This you can do in inspection of the elder ones. The casing of this relay is very nice to protect it from external environment. This relay is majorly used in vehicle parts of companies of Hero like Splendor, Pleasure vehicle and all other vehicle which are available in market. Easy part. This is just a normal casing. You can see a relay switch over here. Very nice looking, very simple working. Let me on a torch, you can see easily. Zoom in. Very nice looking part over here. You can see a spring. Let's see this is working in fine condition or not. You can look this overall construction in this. Let me zoom in. You can see very finely. These are the terminals and this is the winding which makes electromagnet and attracts the point. This is a switch over here, connecting point of switch. I think this is short. You can see over here, black point. It is black. It's been shorted due to high current. This got melted over here, and it's stuck to this permanently. Like this, and it's now open. I have got this battery over it. This is a battery of rating 12 volt 7 ampere hour. Let's see this relay is working or not. Be careful while using these devices. It's all high power equipment. I have connected at this point over here. This is electromagnet. Oh, this is on the other side. Let me show you with this proper connection. I got this wire. Let me connect it with the relay. I have connected the wires to this point so that I can show you easily the working of this relay. connected to point 1. Now you can see when I will connect this wire to this terminal. No any working. Let me zoom and show you. Now you can see. Very nice. I am connect now. Connect, open, connect, open, connect, open. This is said as NONNC. This is normally open now, and this is normally connected. Normally open, normally connected. Zoom it and show you very finely. Look this. This is the point where circuit is closed. Now this is normally open. This is normally connected. Open, connected, open, connected, open, connected. Very cracking voice is this. You can see spark also over there. Let me take a slow motion video and show you. So that's in today's videos. You can see I have shown you the relay which is used to start the self-starting of the bike. Very tiny device, very importantly useful device. Okay, thank you so much. Stay connected to this channel. For the further updates, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. See you in next video. Bye.